Welcome to part 2 of the walkthrough for Pisys Permit to Work. This walkthrough helps answer your questions about the Pisys Permit to Work system, specifically its setup and customization by admin users. This section will cover creating users, setting up permit questions, and customizing the input screen. The admin screen gives access to all customization options. Companies can define their own permit questions and answers, add their own work sites and work areas and contractor companies, set up different levels of users, set up automatic email notifications. The admin screen is only available to admin users. Users, their permissions and email notifications are set up by the Users and Recipients buttons on the admin screen. This button opens the User Edit screen to create new users, view and edit existing users, allow users admin and permit sign rights, reset user passwords, and archive or lock user accounts. Here, users can be set up to receive automatic email notifications. The user screen shows all permit to work users, their company, and their admin rights. From here, new users can be set up and existing users edited. Create new users here. Edit existing users' details and admin rights here. This screen is used to edit existing users and create new users. Each user has their own set of permit rights, selected from a drop-down list. Permit rights determine what a user can do: create, edit, and/or sign all permits or only certain types of permits. Users can also be given admin rights to allow them access to the admin menu and to customize the system. User accounts can be archived or locked, and password reset emails can be sent from here. Here, you add new users or edit existing user settings, including their username and the company they work for, their email address, their admin rights, the types of permits they can create, edit, approve, or view. This drop-down list is created in the Permit Sign Rights screen. See the next slide. This is where the drop-down list of permit rights that users can have is created. These rights determine the type of permits each user can create, edit, and approve. For example, all permits or only general permits. The next few screens show how permit questions can be created and customized. This is the Panels and Controls screen. The Panels and Controls screen gives access to all permit questions and also the question sets. Questions can be edited and deleted here, and new questions can be created. These questions make up the permit form that users fill in when creating new permits. Set up new questions here. Edit or delete questions here. Make questions mandatory. That means they cannot be left blank when a permit is created. Define how a question can be answered. For example, yes, no, a drop-down list of options, or a box for free-form text. Each question is put under a permit heading at creation. For example, general, hot work, or working at height. Once it has been used in a permit, a question can no longer be edited. Instead, a new version of the whole question set can be created for use in future permits. The Control Edit screen allows admin users to edit or create permit questions. In this example, the permit question is, have you been given a copy of the site safety rules? It is a yes/no question, and the question is mandatory. On the permit creation form, it will sit under the general heading. This is the permit question. The tooltip appears when the user hovers the mouse over the question while creating a permit. Allocate each question to a relevant section on the permit, for example, general, isolation, or hot work. Determine what type of answer is required for each question, for example, yes or no, a drop-down list, some free-form text, or a date. This video shows a complete list of permit questions as created by one of our users. Here are some of the same permit questions again, this time on the permit creation screen. Here are the sections related to atmosphere tests, hot work, and confined space entry on the permit creation form. You see that they are color-coded as well. This walkthrough was intended to help answer your questions about Pisys Permit to Work system, especially in the areas of setup and customization. If questions remain, please do not hesitate to contact Alan Sutherland on country code 44 7836 368 030.